the last video, I had discussed about order Tubulidendata. So in this video, I will be starting with its example Orthropus or aardvark. Orthropus or aardvark. Aardvark is only one species in this order. These are some of the facts of aardvark. Common name aardvark, scientific name Orthropus afer, type mammals, type insectivore, average lifespan 23 years, size of head and body is 43 to 53 inches and tail is 21 to 26 inches, weight is about 65 kg. Aardvark live throughout Africa south of Sahara. Their names comes from South Africa's Afrikaans language and means earth pig, and they are also called ant bears. The powerful forelimbs with strong claws and are used in burrowing and dismantling the hard termite mounds and anthills, and its sticky extensible tongue is used to capture ants and termites. The body is covered with a thick coating of hairs which provide protection against insect bites. Teeth. The adult lack incisors and canines. Cheek teeth are 2/2 premolars and 3/3 molar, and the dental formula is 0/0 incisors, 0/0 canines, 2/2 premolar and 3/3 molar. So total 20 teeth. Like in this picture, one half of upper and lower jaw consists of 2 premolar and one half of upper and lower jaw consists of 3 molars. The teeth are columnar and rootless. I will explain this with the help of human tooth. This is a human tooth. Our tooth has root, but aardvark tooth lack this, and that is called rootless. Each tooth consists of as many as 1500 hexagonal prisms of dentine surrounding a narrow tubular pulp cavity. The columnar teeth lack enamel but are surrounded by cement. The term tubulidendata is derived from this feature of the teeth, that is bearing numerous tubular pulp cavity. Tubulidendata. Tubular pulp, tubulidendata. Next, about their gait. Gait means the pattern of steps or walking, and the gait is digitigrade, and it exhibits a low body temperature of about 34.5 degrees Celsius. This is the picture of baby aardvark. And this was all about the order Tubulidendata and Orthropus. Thank you so much.